Well, summertime continues throwing us spring-like curveballs. Taylorsville, Spencer County first responded to a water rescue yesterday after two kayakers overturned on the Salt River. Crews used jet skis to reach them. Officials urge people to stay off the river because of debris and high water and to always wear a life jacket. Very important there.
All right, let's get out to meteorologist Matt Breland. I'm already laughing because I know he heard what I said about his golf swing. So, Matt, you have two jobs: work in your golf swing and give us the forecast today.
Hey, look, I may not be the best at a golf swing, but something I'm good at is forecasting the weather. And I've got my eyes on some players that I think I could get some good lessons from. So maybe I'll have something worth showing later on. Anyway, let's go ahead and talk to you about these forecast details. There's a lot of weather that's going to be happening over the next upcoming hours for us across Kentuckiana. Let's start off with the ISCO Championship forecast. Temperatures through the morning are going to remain into the 70s. Not too bad, but once we see that afternoon sunshine, we're going to warm up quickly. We're expecting temperatures to reach at least the lower 90s as we go into the later hours of the day. So you can expect mostly hot and dry conditions today across Kentuckiana, but we do have lots of rain in the forecast. A flood watch is already in place for all of Kentucky in preparation for this incoming rainy pattern. It's around until Sunday morning at 2 a.m. Right now, we've got a few of those passing clouds in our skies. They're fading out. We're on our way to have more sunshine later on into the day, but a stormy pattern really arrives later tonight, and that flooding is going to be our number one threat that we keep a close eye on. So this is what you need to stay prepared for, is intense downpours that will be repetitive throughout the night and into our Friday morning. Some storms could contain some damaging wind gusts as well. So here's the next upcoming hours. As I mentioned, Thursday morning, Thursday afternoon, mostly hot and dry conditions. Temperatures will be reaching the lower 90s. And then as we head later on into the evening, we're going to see those storms develop towards our west. They'll start approaching more of Kentuckiana just before midnight, and they're going to bring in a lot of thunder and heavy downpours. Lots of long-lasting rain showers in the forecast lasting through the night. Those gusty winds are going to be likely as well. We really see this activity continue through Friday morning. Be very careful through your Friday morning commute or any travel plans you may have. It's going to be very rainy. We're going to still see those showers lasting throughout our Friday afternoon, and then we're going to see the return of some heavy downpours throughout Friday night as well. So we're on our way to quite the active weather pattern. It's likely that we could pick up at least up to 2 inches of accumulated rainfall just as we go into these next upcoming hours. Here's a look at that rainfall forecast. 2 to possibly up to 3 inches across Kentuckiana as we head into the next upcoming days. So just be very mindful of the downpours in the forecast. We're continuing to keep the weather impact alert in place all throughout Saturday in preparation for that potential flooding. Storms will be over with by Sunday. We're expecting those showers to fade away farther off towards our south by Sunday, and then we'll see a less humid pattern set up at least for Sunday evening and most of Monday, but then check out Tuesday. We're going to be back into those lower 90s. Expecting a small heat wave next week. We're going to have more weather details coming up here, and I'm going to keep on working on my swing.